Hello y'all and welcome to Boa's Bikers channel. I wanted to do a quick video today and just show you some of the add-ons I've put on my Mina. You know, if you've been here before, that Mina is my BMW R1200GS. So I've done some work on her lately. I've painted some parts black, but I also added some other things, and that's what I want to show you today. So first of all, I've put on some handlebar raisers. I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'5½", 1.97 m, so I could do with some higher handlebars. Also, because of my big hands, I've put on some foam grips. It's like grip puppies, but it's not the real grip puppies. But they enlarge the circumference of the grip, so it's better for my big hands. Next thing I've added are these mirror raisers and wideners. So it raises the mirror a little bit and it puts them outside. This is because I'm a big guy, like I've said before, 1.97 m, 6'5½", but also a bit over 100 kilos or 220 pounds. So now I can see past my shoulders and my elbows. They're a bit more wide now. And then the last thing I've added is the foot peg enlargers. It's a GS, so they have small narrow foot pegs with rubber on top. I took off the rubber and I've installed some enlargers. So now I have more grip underneath the boots when I'm standing up. I don't do that a lot, but this helps. And you know from previous videos, if you've watched them before, that I also have the side stand enlarger. The crash bars are painted black, as well as the tank and the beak. I've put on the larger adventure screen in a tinted way, so black. And that's about it. Now a bit more about my helmet setup. I'm using the Ulanzi G9 4 case. That's a case where the GoPro 9 fits in, as well as the external mic adapter. That's what you see underneath. So I'm using the GoPro now, so it's not in there. That's mounted on a ball mount, kind of something I picked up cheap, and on a pivoting thing on my helmet. And then the mic is on the inside, and then the mics are on the inside. I have two of them. This one is of my intercom, and then this one is for my vlogging setup. So that's about it. So now you know what I've done to my bike. What have you done? So what have you changed? What add-ons did you put on? Let me know. Leave it in the comments down below. Okay, so this was a small video about all the add-ons on my Mina. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you liked it, please like this video and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so you keep up to date with everything I'm doing. See you later.